Alright guys, this is my attempt now to install an inverter with the batteries. There's 12 batteries here, and I've gone with a gel type, which might be a little bit of an overkill, but when I time to replace them, I will then look at other brands as well. I've got two inverters. It's upside down actually here. I've taken the bottom off. This is a 5 kVA inverter, 5,000 watt. Whole bunch of other stuff in the boxes here. There's the old generator, 5.5 kV. Looking a bit tired there. To replace it, get rid of the sound. I've already started. The batteries are going to be going in here. I've got this little alcove. I've already mounted one inverter. There's two inverters. They will be connected together to give a full 10 kilovolt amps. That's mounted. Has all the connections underneath. Got my voltage supply there, and that's where I am so far. So I'm going to be mounting the other inverter now, do some cabling, and I'll continue with the video when I'm finished. Alright, I've now installed the second inverter. I'm now putting in the battery boxes. The fuse box, there'll be one here. There's going to be another one straight underneath as per this one. Made a little float bar here. Put them slightly at the wrong level because I put the screw center the same height as the top of the box instead of... Anyway, it's irrelevant really, doesn't matter. I would have liked it to be exactly the same height. Alright, so now I've got to finish putting in one more battery box. Then we'll clean the place out and start the cabling, get the batteries in. The batteries will be running down the length from there all the way down here. Okay, now all the boxes are fitted. Got the inverters on the wall. I have the battery switches for each now installed. Now the wiring begins. Let's start wiring up. Alright, let's get cracking with that. Alright guys, a little bit more progress. Got the batteries now in. I've battery boxes on the wall. I've cabled them up. Still a bit of work, not complete. To get the cables in, I have to move those fuses around. So once it's all in, I'll tighten it up. And 12 batteries. Now to start making little jumper leads. Alright, let's do it. Alright guys, all the batteries in now, the jumpers are on. I've actually gone a little bit further and it's completed actually as far as getting the power working. So 12 batteries, they're all set up. There's a feed to the first inverter, second inverter which is now running. These are the cables that we see over here. These are the control between the two inverters to make sure they're talking to each other. I've put on this connection box. There's a feed coming from here through here, the feed from here into here, and then out along here and into the house. This is the 220 volt supply which feeds. This is still going to be ducted. I'll get around to that. It's first making sure everything works. There's a split feeding there, and we have a feed going around here, and I need to neaten that up with some nice ducting, as I said. So right now this power is coming through, charging the batteries. When there's a cutout, let's switch the box off. Yeah, the power cuts off. Here, what's happening now? I don't know if you can see this. Let's flip it into here. You'll notice now it's going to the battery through the inverter power. The same here, it'll be doing the same. The power comes back on. It registers. Power then bypasses the battery, goes straight through, and in a few minutes it'll start looking to charge the batteries. There we go. So A battery charge going on there. And it's actually all working. It's hooked up to the house. And great stuff. So now, finished product. We need to get that nicely covered, complete the ducting on the wall. It looks very neat. And this gets closed most of the time, and this is not to be seen. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed that. And there I've gone and noticed I've left a screwdriver up there. Okay, bye.